number concepts. There are 4 Mickey Mouse on your screen. Find out which one looks the smallest. Correct. This Mickey Mouse looks the smallest. From the 4 cone ice creams, find out which one is the biggest. Yes, this cone ice cream is the biggest. From the 4 pencils, which pencil is the longest? You are right. This pencil is the longest among them. From the 4 iron bars, which one looks the shortest? This bar is the shortest among all. Find out the largest animal from among the 4 animals. The elephant is the largest animal among them. Find out the lightest object from the given 4 objects. Balloon is the lightest object from among them. It is filled with only air. A watermelon is heavier than a mango. Books are lighter than the television. Numbers.